I don't think we do.
Just got 4 new Goodyear Endurance tires to replace those Castle Rocks. So now we should be good to go. $1,000 later, we have high quality RV tires or trailer tires. It was a fun learning experience. Now just to get the repairs made. Oh, I wasn't recording. Yeah, sure got it on video. Oh, and are we gonna watch a fish get eaten?
Did you get it one?
No.
They're called Sergeant Majors, the striped ones.
Not too big though.
Yeah, smaller. You throw it out far, they'll go out far too. Oh, did you get one?
Nope. We are on Little Conch Key. It is a tiny little island just off the shore of Ohio Key or Bahia Honda State Park Key. And it's awesome. There's a shell exchange table and it is full of conch shells. You get big ones. Most of them are pretty broken up, but pretty cool too. And then there's a hermit crab population that lives here. So you can walk around and collect shells. There is an abundance of various types of shells. There is snorkeling. There is a large section of the island appears to be dead coral. So you can see a lot of the structure of the coral. There's sea urchins and a lot of different birds. Pretty cool little island, nice sand beach on it. Somewhere if you are down here in the Keys, you can come check out. The ones up front though.